How's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as promised, we back for the completed product on Her R32. Based on the comments from the first video and the Campfest videos, you guys really wanted to see more. So we came out to the shop and we did this one-on-one interview with Camilla, guys. And she's gonna give us a closer look at the car now. Guys, you know what to do. If you wanna see what this video is all about, please stay tuned.
But before we head into this video, you guys have been asking me where I get my music from. So here we go, guys. It's the Vision Official Sounds YouTube channel. It's a buddy of mine who's been creating some awesome jams that you guys love. So if you like his music, please head over to his channel and subscribe, guys.
Hi guys.
Give us a show around the car.
Hello.
How was Campfest?
It was exciting. It was lekker. It was hot. Yeah.
And obviously, I'm not gonna shy away from the big topic. There were so many comments there saying that you deserve best female, right? Guys, judging is subjective, no? Everybody's taste is subjective. So even though Camilla didn't walk away with her prize, she's still proud that she was there, that she could represent Zeetech Auto. And it was an experience and a half, eh?
Definitely an experience that I enjoyed. Looking forward to the next one.
So we're gonna kick off here on the sunroof. So this is the sunroof Mr. X and the Team Sucks installed.
Yes, it is a Tiguan sunroof that we have installed here.
So what else has been done on the sunroof?
So we connected the sunroof to a remote. So it opens and closes with a remote.
Okay, hit the button then, show us. I'm sure the fans want to see how that works. Oh, that's super cool, eh, guys. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. That's the main reason why we have a sunroof. And then you say the blind can also work there.
Yes.
So that's quite nice, guys. Camilla has other plans as well because you can see how many buttons are there? Six buttons.
Yeah, it's
So you can add some more features onto there.
Yes. So we're looking at trying to connect the A as well on this, but we'll see how far that goes.
Maybe a remote start. You hit the button.
Even that's a good idea.
Okay. And then while the doors open there, Camilla told us about her new lovely door panels done by Candy Shop Customs out in Lenasia. See there, that's the mud she spoke about. She's got, how many did you say?
So we've got 8 in total. So
and then we've got the whole boot set up here. So Camila's gonna hit the light switch there for us. Oh, look how beautiful that looks, guys. And then we've got it here on the door panels as well. Those are that white light she spoke about, just to break the color a little bit. And then you can see the air gauges also light up there. That's where the two switches are located. All LED lighting, right?
Yeah.
And then you've got your lovely boot setup there.
Yeah, so we've got, you can see the Mambas, 3 of them. Got the hard lines as well.
Ooh, it looks so beautiful, eh? With your A45 seats, the roll cage, everything just looks absolutely stunning, eh? And this was all your choice.
Yes.
Material, everything.
The inside was a big fight with me and my husband because he wanted to add more blue, and I was like, no, I'm a neutral person, so the black needed to be more than the actual blue inside. But at the end, I think everything turned out the way it was supposed to be.
Let us know in the comment section what you guys think about the interior, because wow, I just think it looks amazing. It's got this full Alcantara, it's got color coding everywhere on the roll cage, on the tank, on the compressors. Not too much blue, like you say.
Yeah.
So it's got a good balance of everything, and then paired with the sunroof and everything else, it's just so amazing. Let's go and have a look at the engine bay now, guys. Motor that they had all the time, R32 engine. That's how they bought the car, with this engine.
Okay, so as you can see, it's basically still the same engine. What we did do though is we did flush the engine bay. We did a mini wire tuck as well. The engine is obviously a R32 BUB motor. It has a VR6 gearbox. It is run by a power mods management system, and it has a button clutch as well.
And then you love driving your car?
Yes, I do. Look, obviously the whole of last year I couldn't drive my car, but from now onwards I'm definitely driving my car every day.
So that's what it's all about enjoying your car. It's not just a garage queen, they actually drive the car. And then future plans for next show, besides like doing a new radio?
Look, basically what we're going to do is just fix up, those small little things that is troubling me, and like the radio is what we're gonna upgrade. I know you've said, Mr. Skid Marks, you want us to try the new grill situation. So maybe we'll see how that works out.
Yeah, I don't want to give you guys too much about that, but there's a grill that I showed them that I think might look killer, honestly. Because Golf 2 competition was really tough, right?
Yes.
Yes. We had that black Golf 2,
yes,
which looked absolutely amazing. We had the burgundy Golf 2.
Yes, that one was beautiful. I think that's why he got the award.
That interior of his was really
very
nice.
Yeah.
He's obviously the owner of Auto Sound Gazina, so they do a lot of interior work, and he's definitely built a nice car. Same like you guys. He's basically used that car as an advertisement for
his business. Yes.
So we've got the whole team here behind the scenes now. Everybody that Camila was thanking, her father-in-law, brother-in-law, son over there who was polishing the wheels.
Yeah.
He wants his credit for polishing the wheels. Ne? And Ziad over there, he's not only the master mechanic, he's a father as well, you see.
Yes.
So he's got to put that first as well. So big shout out to you, my man.
Hi, Shawnee.
You built an amazing car, yeah. You definitely listened to everything your wife wanted, and she seems very happy with the car. Eh?
Yeah, I think that she is happy. Sorry, guys, I have to hold the mic so my beard doesn't block the sound. Yeah, she is happy. Well, I hope that she is fully satisfied. We didn't finish the car as fast as we thought we would. We worked until 3 o'clock the morning before we left. So there was minor stuff what we needed to do. Basically, the roof lining and the carpet was one of the struggles which we had. That was the only thing that kept us behind. And what else? Material.
Yes.
We had a big issue with material.
Yes.
So
yeah, the Alcantara shortage, no?
yes, there was a big shortage of Alcantara, so even Kenny Shop Customs couldn't assist us because they got us the material, and basically we couldn't get it anywhere, so we had to mix and match and patch up wherever we could.
So that's definitely something that we're going to change, because I don't know if you have seen on the door panels, that is where we had to try and get a material closest to Alcantara. But before the next show, we're definitely going to fix that up and put the Alcantara on.
No, thank you guys so much for inviting me along on the journey. I really appreciate it. I mean, you could have said no, you don't want anybody to see, or you didn't want me to be a part of it, but I really appreciate the fact that you guys allowed me to be a part of this journey.
No, thanks so much to Skid Marks. Guys, please like and subscribe. This is the best media you will get ever. And then a big thanks to my dad, my brother, all my sons, my mom, friends and family, everyone that assisted us. A very big thank you to all of you guys.
And then lastly, if they want you guys to give them that Zeetech touch, where can they get hold of you guys?
We are on social media. We will start posting a lot. As Sean knows, I'm very shy of the camera, but we will start posting. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Our WhatsApp lines, we have 2 WhatsApp lines, which is quick response always.
The number for Zeetech is also 084 907 2767, and your Instagram is Z_tech_auto.
And then Camila is also new to social media, so if you follow Skid Marks, you'll see that we've collaborated with her on a post. So if you want to give Camila a follow, I'll also put it on the video here, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you guys enjoyed this video, tell them what they need to do, guys.
Like and subscribe, guys. Like
There
and
we
subscribe. And forward to everyone you know that wants a dream car built.
Thank you, bro.
All the difficulties.
Ja, in de zee, de late in de spray,
We were built for that.
alles, ja.
So, where's the bike? When we first came here, you were busy building the bike. What happened to the bike?
It's a work in progress.
Ja, it's a working process, eh.
Next show,
Next show is gonna be there.
And for you guys, I know you polished the car last time we were here, and you were under pressure. 4 in the morning.
Yeah, no, we had to push, yeah. We were running out of time. We had to make sure we get as much done as possible. So yeah. But the
And-
polishing went smoothly.
Are you happy with the way she came out?
With the end result, I'm very happy. With the time frame we had, and the end result, I'm happy.
Build the whole vehicle.
It was a shell.
Yeah, basically from a shell we built this vehicle. It took us 2.5 weeks. It was late nights. We enjoyed building it. Yes, there is pressure when you're doing things like this, but the end result we can be proud of ourselves. Zeetech Auto can be proud. I'm proud of my children. I'm proud of my daughter-in-law. She built the ride the way she wanted it, and we did it for her. We made a dream come true, and we can do it for others as well. And besides Campfest and building the car, we do turbo conversions, we do racing, guys. So you guys will see us out there. Skid marks will come and put us again on the map. Like we said, like and
Found the problem.
And then
For the
one special shout out that we forgot to mention
bell.
is
Yes.
all the way in Australia.
yes, my son Nadim.
We miss you too, Nadim.
Yeah, Nadim, we miss you.
Your first Campfest you must from the beginning of the show.
Yes.
Yeah, no, we must you know the shout out is just for
For
you.
you, and the Tombol will be coming out again, my son. We'll be racing it. Sean will be there with us with
And the
our
buggies.
buggies,
And the
all
buggies.
our cars. Thanks to Elsa and Sean for everything what you guys did for us, and my loving wife. Peace.
Thank you guys.